There's a lot of misconceptions around personal branding and what it actually means for you. And the key thing with your personal brand is that it's personal to you. You can make it be anything that you want it to be. And there's a lot of people creating content and putting stuff out there into the world, which is great. However, there's a lot of people doing it because they feel that they have to, which means that really they're just adding to the noise. You can look at your personal brand in two ways. You can create your personal brand, and then you can build your personal brand. These are two different things. Creating your personal brand involves having a really clear online representation of yourself, a good website which accurately reflects who you are, a good online profile that really clearly explains what you do, looking good on LinkedIn, looking good on Facebook, whatever it is, and making sure that everything that you do is really aligned and really clear and really represents you well. This is called passive personal branding, and it means that it's up and it's done and you don't have to do anything. Search engine optimization can help to feed things to your website, and you can go and do other activities that you enjoy. Active personal branding is where you do everything in create, but then you also start to build your brand through the creation of content and through social media posts and whatever that is. And then you're actively trying to get your brand out there, get your name out there, connect with people and build your brand. Now, obviously, you're going to have more impact and more of a result if you are creating content and putting it out there. However, if that's not for you, why not make sure that your website and everything else is really, really well aligned, and that your passive brand accurately reflects you, so that if people do find you or they meet you at an event and you give them your card and they come across you online, you look completely how you want to come across. Nice photos, nice copy, etc. You don't have to do everything to be active. Not everybody has to become a content creator. I do believe that it's a great thing to do, but it's not an easy thing to do. Sitting down in front of your camera, pressing record, it doesn't come naturally to everybody, and why would it? So don't necessarily force yourself to do something you really, really don't want to do, when actually you could have a really great personal brand simply by ensuring that your online representation is a really good, accurate reflection of you. So massive good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.